The Laurel plan from Bloomfield Homes is proof that great things come in perfectly sized packages. At over 1,500 square feet, the Laurel offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a full 2-car garage. A great fit for first-time buyers, downsizers, or anyone looking for a functional, stylish home. The open concept living area brings the kitchen, dining, and family room together, creating a warm and inviting space filled with natural light. With a large prep island that has room for bar stools and plenty of storage, this kitchen is ready to handle everything from quick breakfast to family feasts. There's a large primary suite privately located away from the other bedrooms, complete with a roomy walk-in closet, large shower, and vanity. 2 additional bedrooms sharing a full bath offer flexibility for a growing family, a home office, or a hobby space. Bedroom 2 has the option to become a dedicated study with dual doors. And with a covered patio option, the Laurel invites you to extend your living space outdoors. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality with the Laurel. Ready to find your forever home? Contact us today or visit a model home to see why the Laurel might be just right for you.